We all agree, conditional formatting is awesome. But have you ever wondered how it can be applied to your pivot tables? So here is the problem. When we work with a pivot table and we apply conditional formatting the usual way, at first glance, it looks perfect, right? However, take a look at what happens when we update our pivot table and new data gets added. For instance, here a new company gets added. Our conditional formatting did not apply automatically to our new companies. This issue arises because applying conditional formatting the usual way only targets individual cells. So when our pivot table expands and grows in size, the conditional formatting doesn't adapt, leaving new data unformatted. All right, so here is what you must do instead. Select the first cell in your pivot table where you want to apply conditional formatting. Then go to Conditional Formatting and select whatever format you like. Now here comes the crucial part. You can see that a tiny pivot table symbol appeared. Just click on it and select all cells showing percentage change values for company name. And there you have it. Since we applied the conditional formatting to the specified column in our pivot table and not to individual cells, our formatting will stay consistent, no matter how many companies are added or removed.